In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark items as important. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your most critical notes, tasks, or entries stand out at a glance. Let's start by getting oriented. The feature we're using is the important tag, represented by a small star. It doesn't change the content itself, it simply adds a clear visual cue so your eye can find it instantly later. This is especially helpful in long notes, busy lists, or project pages where key points can get buried. First, head to the Home tab. This is the central hub for everyday actions and quick formatting. You'll usually find it across the top of your screen on the ribbon. If your app window is narrow, the ribbon might condense, but the Home tab is still where the tagging tools live. Next, look for the Tags area in the Home tab. You may see an important icon right away, often displayed as a star. If you do, that's the quickest path. Click it to apply the important tag to whatever you currently have selected. If you don't see the star icon, open the Tags gallery by clicking the small drop-down arrow in the Tags section. The gallery expands to show a list of available tags. This is where the important tag always appears, even when the ribbon is compact or when your layout hides individual icons to save space. From the Tags gallery, choose the important tag. Once you select it, the star appears next to your selected text, item, or line. That visual mark is your confirmation that the item is flagged. If you're tagging notes, you'll see the star align neatly with the line. If you're tagging a task or a list entry, it will sit right beside it, making it easy to scan later. A couple of practical tips as you work. If you plan to highlight several key points in a document or notebook, be consistent with the important tags so your eyes learn to trust that cue. Also, remember that the star is purely a marker. It doesn't change priority rules or due dates by itself. Think of it as a spotlight you control. Depending on your app, you may notice other tag styles in the same gallery. Those can help you build a simple visual system, with the important star reserved for the highest priority items. That's all there is to it. Open the Home tab, use the Tags gallery or the visible important icon, and select the important tag to place a clean, unmistakable star where it matters most.